The thing is, I've broken up with 14 guys. And I don't remember everyone, but all of them I broke up with. That sounds like I'm bragging. Like, oh, I broke 14 hearts, 14 intelligent and handsome boys weren't good enough for me. But I'm not bragging. I actually feel terrible about it. I do. I feel dark. Like there's a thing in me that doesn't want it to work, you know? Something I'm not aware of. And that's my worst fear. That I'm somehow sabotaging things. That after years of therapy and 2 meditation retreats, what if I'm secretly sabotaging everything and I still can see it? I know what you're thinking. Fear of commitment. But it's really not fear of commitment, because I've been in relationships before. More than once. And I think I'm in love, but then I fall out. And most times I don't get close at all. But they always seems to get there. Yeah. How can someone be in love with me when I'm not? The moment I realize it's happening, it's like the worst thing. I feel like, oh my God, it's happening again. He's falling in love. He's falling in love. So stop. But I usually keep dating a little while longer. Because I want to fall in love too, I don't want to die alone. So I stick it out another few weeks. I've seen so many boys hate me. Yeah, that's an unmistakable look.